أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we have finished learning the 4 fragments. And inshallah, we will do our revision. In the half an hour we have today. We will do a revision of these 4 fragments. There are 5th fragment that you will see in the class notes, which is a really simple one. You can, if you want, you can even learn it on your own. It's such a simple fragment. But anyway, let's start with the first one. So we have learned 4 fragments. So I'm gonna engage some students and please help me revise this. So Abdullah Shoaib, what are the names of the 4 fragments that we have learned?
Assalamu alaikum. They are called مضاف مضاف إليه, صفة موصوف, جار مجرور, and اسم الإشارة مشار إليه.
All right, good job, Abdullah. So the first one that we are going to revise is mudaf ilay. Okay, good. So Brother Ahsan Mumtaz, may I request you to tell me, I have showing you something on the screen. Is this mudaf ilay? Brother Ahsan Mumtaz, you are muted. Okay.
Salam. Hazal Qur'ani.
The question is this mudaf ilay? Yes or no? Or you don't know?
I think it's no.
I'm sorry?
No.
Okay, may I have to go? I think I have to go to someone else. Emma, you raise your hand.
X how much? Huh? X. X 1425. And
There's
this one.
background noise here. Okay, I have to. Okay, is Tamia with us? No. Is Hiba with us?
Yes.
Hiba, is this mudaf ilay?
No, I don't think it's mudaf ilay.
Why?
Because when I translated it, it said this Quran, and I think it is ismul ishara mushar ilayh because it uses ismul ishara in it.
Because you already know that this could be ismul ishara musharun ilayhi, so you're saying this is ismul ishara musharun ilayhi. And the other thing is a mudaf ilayhi does not start with ismul ishara. Ismul ishara can never be a mudaf. Okay, so when you see a fragment starting with ismul ishara and somebody asks you, can this be mudaf ilayhi? The answer is no, because an ismul ishara cannot be a mudaf. So this is not mudaf ilayhi. Hiba, come back. Is this a mudaf ilayhi? Min as-samai? Yes or no?
I don't think it is.
Why?
I think it's jar majrur with the min.
Yeah, min is a jar and it's a harf. It is not an ism. Mudaf has to be an ism, right?
Yes.
Yeah, a jar cannot be a mudaf. So this, when you see a jar in the place where a mudaf should be, then it obviously you simply say this is not jar majrur. Sorry, this is not mudaf ilayh. So hazal Qur'ani is not mudaf ilayh, and minas samai is not a mudaf ilayh either. How about this? Is this a mudaf ilayh? Yes or no? Is Rasul
I think so, because when you translate it, messenger of Allah.
Okay, let's apply the rules. Forget about the translation.
Okay.
Try the rules. What are the rules for mudaf mudaf ilayh?
I think for the mudaf, it has to be light.
Is it light?
Yes.
Okay. What's the other rule?
And it can't have al.
Is there an al with it?
No.
So could this be mudaf?
Yes.
Okay. How about Allahi?
It has to be jar.
Is it jar?
Yes.
All
Wait.
right. So does it
Yeah.
meet? Does it fulfill all the rules or no?
Yes, it does.
So,
It is mudaf mudaf ilayh.
all right. Yeah. So this is a mudaf mudaf ilayh. Both are ism. It's not a case of jar majroor. There is no ismul ishara at the place where the mudaf should be. So it is both isms. The first ism is light. It doesn't have al with it. And the second ism is in jar status. So first ism will be called mudaf and the second will be called mudaf ilayh, and together they will be called what, Hiba?
Mudaf mudaf ilayh.
Mudaf mudaf ilayh. All right, good. So mudaf, it has to meet two conditions. It is always light and it does not take al. This is the first one. And then the second ism mudaf ilayh, it has to meet only one condition. And that condition is it is always in jar status. Okay, this is mudaf mudaf ilayh. And when you see this in a fragment, then you can comfortably say it is mudaf mudaf ilayh. Okay. Anusha Haq. Anusha.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. There is another thing about mudaf mudaf ilayh we learned. It was something about a pronoun or pronouns. That reminds you something or no?
Oh yeah, it's attached pronouns.
To who?
To like a noun.
To a noun.
Yeah.
A pronoun attached to a noun, or we can say attached to an ism.
Yeah.
What about that?
It's like that means it's also mudaf mudaf ilayh.
It is also a mudaf mudaf. Give me an example.
It's like rabbuka.
Rabbuka. Very good. So whenever a pronoun is attached to an ism, it is always in jar status. And the resulting fragment is called mudaf mudaf ilayh. And your example was Rabbuka, which is similar to Kitabuka, my example. What is the status of Ka here?
Ka is jar.
And is
jar.
Kitabu light?
Yeah, it's like
Is there al with it?
no, there's no al.
So does it meet all the three conditions?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about Kitabuhu?
Kitabuhu,
Is it mudaf ilayhi as well?
no.
Sorry.
But it is, yeah, sorry. It is.
It is. A
It is.
pronoun attached to an ism. What is the status of who in Kitabuhu?
I think it's non-flexible. So it's not, you can't like, it
Listen,
can be jar
listen.
or anything else.
Anusha, listen.
Yeah.
When a pronoun is attached to an ism,
So it has to be mudaf mudaf
it
ilayh.
has to be jar. We don't even look at the haraka it has. Okay? It has dhamma, it may have kasra, it may have fatha. We don't care anymore. As soon as we see a pronoun is attached to an ism, it has to be in jar status, irrespective of what haraka is on it. Okay? So when I say kitabuhu, don't be deceived by the dhamma on who. No, we don't even look at dhamma. We just say it is in jar status. Simple as that. All right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Anusha. Good job. So this is mudaf mudaf ilayh. Simple. There are three rules. Two of them apply to mudaf, one to mudaf ilayh. And remember, whenever a pronoun is attached to an ism, that pronoun is always in jar status, and the resulting fragment is called mudaf mudaf ilayh. All right. Sifa Mawsuf. This was the second fragment. We have to cover a lot, so we have to go a little quick today. Sifa Mawsuf. So I have something written here in front of you. Sister Maryam Batul, is it Sifa Mawsuf?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Anybody who disagrees with sister? Brother Nisar wants to disagree. Go ahead, brother.
Yes, it is not because Baitun should be first, Masuf should be first, followed by Sifa.
So you're saying the order is wrong, huh?
Yes.
So what sheet is the right order? Can you say the fragment?
Baitun Kabirun. Masuf
Baytun
should be first.
kabirun. The one being described, the mawsuf should come first, and its quality, sifa, the description, should come after. It's opposite. So how about this? Is this okay now?
Yes, order is correct. Now we have to check whether all four properties match of Sifa
Okay.
and Masuf.
So what are the conditions, brother Nisar, for sifa mawsuf? What should come first?
Masuf should come first, followed by Sifa.
All right. So mawsuf should come first, and the sifa should come after the mawsuf. Okay. What else?
Yes. Then four properties of Ism should match in both Masuf and Sifa.
Yeah. Mawsuf and sifa, they have to match in four properties. What are those four properties?
Status, gender, number, and type.
Number and type. Can other words come in between sifa and mawsuf?
I think it can.
Yes. Can any word come between mudaf and its mudaf ilayh?
No.
No. Other words can come. Okay. One last thing, brother Nisar. If the mawsuf is a broken plural, then generally what happens?
If Masuf is broken plural,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, I could not understand your question.
If you have
Buyutun,
a fragment, sifa mawsuf, and the mawsuf is a broken plural, what will be what you should see in the sifa used for it?
it will be feminine singular.
Singular feminine. Yeah. Why?
Like Buyutun, because it has to match in all four properties. So if Buyutun is broken plural, it will be treated as singular feminine. So in order to match, Sifa should also be singular and feminine.
The sifa of a broken plural mawsuf is generally singular and feminine, because broken plurals, they are treated by Arabs as singular feminine. When they use a broken plural in a sentence, they treat it as if it was a singular feminine word, generally, not all the time, generally. For example, sururun marfu'atun. So sururun means thrones. Thrones. It's a plural of sarira. So it's a broken plural. And the word used as its sifa is marfu'atun, which is singular and feminine. Rafa'a yarfa'u.
Yes.
Marfu'un and marfu'atun is a singular. So that is why it is singular used for a broken plural, singular sifa, feminine, mawsuf sifa. So these are the bullet points of sifa mawsuf. Thank you, Brother Nisar. Jazakallah khairan. Okay, so we have done revision of two fragments. Let's go to the third one. Third one is jar majroor. In jar majroor, we memorize the table first of all. We memorize the table. Ali, what is that table?
Bitaka liva fi men anala hatta ila.
Good job. What's the meaning of B?
With
Ta.
whereby
Ka.
like,
Li.
for,
Wa.
swear by,
It can also
be
mean
in,
and. If it mean and, is that a jar then?
no,
No. Fi.
in,
Good. Thank you, Ali. Turhan, help me with the remaining. Min. No?
From,
From. Okay. An.
about,
About or from. Ala.
upon,
Upon. Hatta.
until,
Ila.
towards.
Towards. Good job, Turhan. Okay. Brother Wahid, may I request you? I have written an ayah here at the bottom of this table. There are 2 jar in it. Can you identify those 2 jar?
Min.
Min. Okay. Anything else? There's one more.
Mit him. Tari him. Ida.
B. Hijara is a separate word.
Yeah.
B. Right?
Yeah.
So B is a jar. And what was the other one you said?
Min.
Min. And what is the status of hijaratin, Brother Wahid? Rafa, nasab or jar?
That is Rafa.
No. Look at this.
Min.
Kasratain. There are 2 kasras.
Kasratin. Jar status.
Jar status. So hijaratin is jar. The words that are in jar status, they are called majroor. So what we can tell about, or what you can say about bihijaratin, what kind of fragment that is?
That is
B is a jar and hijaratin is majroor.
Ijaratin.
So we call it
Not Sifa Masul, no.
no jar majroor.
Jamajurun.
Yeah. A jar followed by a noun or ism that is in jar. It has to be in jar status. It comes after the jar. The resulting fragment is called jar majroor. What is status of sijilin, Brother Wahid?
Sijil.
Rafa
Jar
nasab or
status.
jar? Okay, thank you, Brother Wahid. Brother Shoaib, so what is sijilin, brother?
Assalamualaikum. It's in jar.
It's in jar. Sijilun, sijilan, sijilin. Sijilin is in jar. So what is min sijilin, brother?
Jar majroor.
Jar majroor. Whenever you see a harf jar, or jar, I should say, and then there is a noun after it, that noun has to be in jar status, and the resulting fragment is called jar majroor. So, Brother Shoaib, how many reasons there could be for an ism to be majroor or in jar status?
There could be two, or there will be only 2 reasons.
Only 2 reasons. What are they?
Well, the one is the ism is in mudaf ilay, and the second will be the ism comes after a jar, which is hurf jar.
Yeah, which is the case here, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. So there can be only 2 reasons. That is jar majroor. Next one, last one that we learned was ismul ishara musharun ilay. Okay. Table 4. The masculine ismul ishara for near. For near. Shifa, can you give me the masculine for Kareeb? Are you with us, Shifa? I see your name. No, you're not with us?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you repeat the question?
The table for Ismul Ishara for masculine for near.
Near هذا هذاني هذين and هؤلاء.
Feminine for near.
هذه هاتان هاتين هؤلاء.
Very good. Thank you, Shifa. All right. Now we need to do this for far. For far. Brother Imad, would you like to do it? Musab?
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Salam. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. For right? Okay. Haza, hazani, hazaini.
Come on, what are you doing? For far, not for near.
Oh.
Haza is for near. Okay.
Okay.
What is for far?
Zalika.
Go ahead.
Zalika, Zalika.
Danika.
Zalika, Zanika.
Zainika.
Zalika, Zanika, Zainika, and Ulaika.
What is for feminine?
Tilka, Tanika, Tainika, and also Ulaika.
Ulaika. Good job. Okay. So about Ismul Ishara Musharun Alayhi, what are the rules? So it's in Ismul Ishara Musharun Alayhi, Sister Rehana. What is the first ism? What is that called? Ismul Ishara, right?
Yes.
What about the second one? What should be the second?
Mushara Ali.
Musharun Alayhi. It has to start with what?
It has to start with Ismul Ishara.
No. Yeah, the first one is Ismul Ishara. Now, Musharun Alayhi has to start with something.
With al.
Al. It has to have al with it.
Yeah.
Okay. And any other condition they have to meet? They have to match
in 4 properties.
4 properties. Yeah. And any other word can come in between or no?
No.
There is no. So they have to be next to each other. For example, Hazal Muslimu Ismul Ishara and Al Muslimu starting with Al is called Musharun Alayhi, and they have to match with respect to status, gender, number, and type. All the 4 properties. Okay, if Musharun Alayhi is a broken plural, then generally what happens? The Ismul Ishara used for it will be?
Yes, I can't understand.
So when Musharun Alayhi is a broken plural, the Ismul Ishara used for it is generally singular.
The singular feminine.
Feminine. For example, the example we used was Tilka Rusulu. Rusul is a plural of Rasul, and it is a broken plural. And that is why Tilka is used. Tilka is a singular.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So that is why it is still Ismul Ishara and Musharun Ilayhi, because broken plurals are treated as singular feminine. Yeah. So these are the rules for Ismul Ishara Musharun Ilayhi, or one slide. So this should help you with the quiz tomorrow. This is all about Ismul Ishara Musharun Ilayhi. And Tilka Rusul means those messengers. Okay. Now we're going to do a quick check. Ibadur Rahman. I'm going to call names. Call name, and you have to tell me quickly what kind of fragment that is. Sister, no, sorry. I'm just going with the list here. Abdullah Shuaib. Ibadur Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum. Ibadur Rahman is
Is it mudaf mudafili? Is it sifa mawsuf? Is it jar majroor? Or is it ismul ishara musharun ilay?
it is I think it's sifa mawsuf.
No. Brother Absar, how about you? What do you think?
Assalamu alaikum. It's mudaf ilayh.
Perfect. Thank you, brother. Sister, I think Sister Maryam had her hand up. Azab in Aliman, did you want to tell about that, sister?
Okay. It is Sifa Mawsuf.
Sifa Mawsuf. How about Naru Jahannama?
It is also Sifa Mawsuf. No, it is Mudaf ilayh.
It is mudaf ilayh. Yeah, it is mudaf ilayh. Why it is not Jahannami? It should be jar, right? Is it jar? Jahannama is in jar status or no?
Jar status, but it is not showing its status.
Sorry, what did you say?
It is in jar status, but it is not showing its status.
Yeah, it's not showing its jar status because it is partly flexible word. Thank you, sister. Good job. Okay. Azan Asif. Kazalika.
Is it jar majroor?
Jar majroor. Good job. Burak. Rabbukum.
Rabbukum is mudaf ilayh.
Good. Emma. Zalika al-kitabu.
Is it jar majroor?
No, it is not jar majroor. Zalika is not a jar. It is not from those 11 words which are in the table, right? So if you memorize the table, that will really, really help. Hiba. Zalika al-kitabu. Is Zalika ismul ishara or no?
Yes.
And the next word starting with al.
Yes.
So?
Ismul ishara musharun ilay.
Ismul ishara musharun ilay. Good. Thank you. Hayatid dunya. What do you think about that, Brother Imad? Brother Jawad. Mudaf ilay. Give me the next one as well, please.
That one.
Say it loud, please.
Al-Hayatid Dunya.
No, you don't know? Okay. Musab.
Yes. I think this is mudaf ilayh.
Mudaf is starting with that al, eh?
Oh no, this cannot be mudaf ilayh. This is
Sister
Sifa
Maryam
Mawsuf.
Batu. Sister Maryam Batu.
It is Sifa Mawsuf.
Sifa Mawsuf. So ad-dunya did not change, huh? Dunya is it? Non?
It's partly flexible.
Yeah, it is non-flexible, sister. It doesn't show its status at all.
Oh,
Dunya, Rafa will be dunya. Nasab will be dunya. Jar will be dunya. In all three forms, it will be dunya. Okay, Brother Mia Hamid. As-sirat al-mustaqima. This is going to be maybe a little tough. What kind of fragment is it?
Sifa Mawsuf.
Is it even a fragment? As-sirata al-mustaqimi.
Oh, yeah, yes, yeah. No.
No, it is actually Not even a fragment.
Right.
Yeah. How about next one, brother Mihamid?
Yes, it's Sifa Masuf.
Sifa Masuf. Hmm?
No, 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 it's
No,
not.
it's not.
Well, Mudaf alayh.
Mudaf ilayh. Brother Muhammad Kabir, fil jannati.
That would be jar majroor.
Alu fir'auna.
Alu fir'auna would be mudaf ilay.
Mudaf ilayh. Sister Rehana, Ulaik al-ashabi.
أولئك الأصحاب مضاف إليه
Ulaika is what?
أولئك
Ismul
yeah.
Ishara can never be mudaf.
اسم الإشارة أولئك sorry.
Yeah, so the fragment
اسم
is
الإشارة
Ismul Ishara musharun ilayh.
مشار.
Ya'muruhum. What do you think about that, Sister Rehana?
This is Nida.
Sorry, neither.
Yamuruhum. This is
Ya'muru is a fail. So it is not even a fragment.
no.
Sister Amara, Rabbal Alameen.
It's mudaf ilay.
Hazihi shajarati.
It's ismul ishara musharun ilay.
Musharun ilayh. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
We are going over time, so maybe a couple of more minutes, and inshallah we will conclude. So just bear with me. If you want to leave for any reason, feel free to leave, because I have to respect your commitments as well. If you have any. Umar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Qauman Jabbarina is Sifa Masuf.
Arhamur Rahimin.
Mudaf ilay.
Mudaf ilay. Sister Nada or Nida. Alayya. No. Taymiyah.
Jar majroor.
Jar majrur. Qulubihim. Taymiyah.
Qulubihim mudaf ilay.
Good. Brother Talha. Suhufim Mukarramah. No. Talha, sorry, Saad Iqbal.
صحف مكرمة صفة موصوف.
Is suhufun singular or plural?
It's a broken plural.
Broken plural.
So
And Mukarrama is singular or plural?
it's plural. No, it is singular. It is singular.
Singular. So broken plural is a masuf, so that is why sifa is singular and
Feminine.
feminine. Ila Makkata.
A jar majroor.
Why not Makkati?
Because it is partly flexible. It is a name of a place, and it does not show its status.
Yeah, when it is in jar status. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tarham. Muslimu Makkata. What is it? Turhan, are you with me? Unmute yourself.
Yeah, what?
Sorry?
What are you asking?
I'm asking you, is Muslimu Makkata? What is it? Sorry, it is. What kind of fragment is it? Do you know or you don't know?
No, I don't.
Azan
no.
Asif, do you know?
I don't think it's a fragment.
Arham. No?
No.
Okay, Abdullah Shoaib.
it's a مضاف إليه.
Why it is not Makkati?
Because it doesn't show its status.
Is Muslimu light?
Yes.
What's the heavy form of it?
Muslimuna.
Muslimuna. What's the meaning of Muslimu Makkata?
Muslims of Makkah.
Muslims of Makkah. We end with Shifa. هؤلاء القوم.
اسم الإشارة مشار إليه.
اسم الإشارة مشار إليه. What's the status of هؤلاء here?
هؤلاء مرفوع.
مرفوع. Why?
Because قوم is also مرفوع.
Yeah, we look at Qawmu and then we determine the status based on that. Thank you, everyone. I hope you do well in the quiz tomorrow, and I hope this quick refresher or quick revision was helpful. Thank you, everyone, for your
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Al-Ashabi is broken plural or it is singular? Ashabi, ulaik al-ashabi.
Yeah, that's
Isn't
a good
it
point.
should be tilkal?
A good point. Yeah.
Isn't it should be tilkal ashabi?
Yeah, it could be. Yes. Yeah, I should have done that. Thanks for pointing out, Brother Nisar.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. That's why I said generally. You know what I mean? Yeah, but for the class purpose, I should have used Tilka. Any other questions or comments? All right. Then we are concluding our session here today. Thank you, everyone. Jazakumullah khairan.